कल खेड़ रत्नागिरी से आए हुए 13 लोगों के फैमिली करंट उट वाटर स्पोर्ट्स के दौरान उनका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, जिसमें से एक जवान की मृत्यु हो गई है। बाकी के 12 लोग जीएमसी अस्पताल के एडमिट हैं। इसी संदर्भ में गोवा कलंगुट के आमदार श्री माइकल लोगो ने इस पर संज्ञान लिया और घटना स्थल का दौरा किया। उन्होंने जितना भी इलीगल वंडर्स एजेंट जो ट्रेवल टच उन पर भी भारी एक्शन लिया और उनकी एक अच्छी खासी क्लास लगाई। बोर्ड मालिक को भी ताकत किया कि उनके पास जितने भी एम्प्लॉइज काम करते हैं उन सभी एम्प्लॉइज के गले में आईडी चाहिए और कोई भी इलीगल एम्प्लॉइज नहीं चाहिए। आज जो हुआ वह दोबारा नहीं होना चाहिए। कहीं न कहीं इसी वजह से गोवा की छवि खराब होती है। माइकल लोगों ने कलंगुट के साई सभी दरखास्त की जितनी भी इलीगल एक्टिविटीज कलंगुट में हो रही हैं वो बेवजह सारे टूरिस्ट को ओवरलोडेड बोट में डालते हैं, जिनकी कैपेसिटी 12 की है और 20-20 लोगों को बोट में भरते हैं, वह सब बंद होना चाहिए।
All water sport association has to follow the queue system. The सगळ्यांनी queue system follow करपाक जाय. Number 1. Second, overload करपाक जाय. Main thing is queue system. You have to follow the queue system.
Overload.
Overload करपाक जाय. Life jacket एक सगळ्यांनी all passenger has to put.
What about the kids? You have any policy? Kids can go inside in the water. Up to what age they can go in the boat?
No restriction is there, but they have to wear the life jackets, whatever provided. And they have to take as per the capacity only.
No, but no. Supposing some kids are small, 2 years, 3 years old, whether they can be taken in the boat.
They cannot take, no, because they are very small. At least 5-6 years old they can take.
The incident which has happened yesterday, that small boy which was there, I have come because of that. Especially, we are very sympathetic to the family, and I felt very bad. People come to Goa for a holiday, and such incidents happen. And after the incident happens, a small boy also was about to be, his life was saved. And finally, we as responsible as government and the stakeholders have to have all the safety measures, safety protocol, everything, and they have to follow the rules and regulations. It's not only one counter here, we have so many counters. That is why I came over here specially. Because one death has happened, and there should not be any more incidents, because we are a touristic state and this state is living on tourism. Our revenue is on tourism, and we cannot send bad memories over there to the customers who are coming over here. Memories where they will say that my husband or my son got drowned in the water because of the negligence. There cannot be a case like this, and that is why you need to have a meeting with them. Not only these stakeholders, the other stakeholders before the season starts. What are the do's and don'ts? They have to put rules and regulations over here. You see that they put rules and regulations. Child is not allowed. A small child, like 1 year old, 2 years old, is not allowed to go in the venture into the sea in the boat. You put some regulation.
We have to put it, because if it's not there, we have to
It is not there. I was searching. So you put now up to what age they can go into the water, into the boat. 10-seater passenger boat, 12-seater passenger boat. Whatever they are doing, water sports is allowed from this age onwards. It is there internationally. You go, the minute you go on the counter, it is written over there that child from this age is allowed to venture into the sea. Child from this age can do parachute. Below the age cannot do parachute. We do not have all this system, and we need to put this system in place, and you are the authority. Tamaskar is a very senior tourism officer. Please, you all both coordinate. Captain of port and Tamaskar should coordinate and get these things in place. Not only for this booth, I want you to put for all the booths, because finally they are taking all the tourists, Indian as well as foreign tourists, to for this water sports. It's a unique concept which is there in Goa. It is not there in any other state. You go to Kerala, it is not there. They are very small in front of the 5-star hotel. But here it is there for everyone. And they are living on that. Their business is this. त्यांचे पोट आहे. पण देर कॅनॉट बी अ इन्सिडेंट लाईक दिस. सो त्या खातीर आमचेकडे सगळे वस्तू सारक्यो आसपाक जाय. आनी आमी वी कॅनॉट शाय अवे फ्रॉम आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ही आमची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, गव्हर्मेंटाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एट द सेम टायम तेंची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सेकंडली खुबशे बुथांचेर हांव पळयता 150 वयर भुरगे आहा. ना I will hold you responsible. I don't want any of these boys over there, only who are working here. Well, they should have the, they are कोणाशीच ना पळय आता हे सगळे काम करपी का कोणाकडे आयडी ना फोन हा म्हणून न्हू आयडी कोणाचीच ना. कोण पिक पॉकेटर तेतूच फाटल्या दिसांनी चोरयो जाल्यो. कोण कांदोलीसून कोण चोरतालो आनी कोण वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स ऑपरेटरांक गेले पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर. ते म्हाका फोन मारता, सर आमचे भुरग्यांक गेले, कित्याक गेले तापोवन सांग दिसता म्हाका. मागीर कितें ते तुमी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय न्हू. तुमी सगळे म्हणूंक शकना गव्हर्मेंट करतलो म्हणून. हॅव टू न्हू कंपल्सरी मरे. तुम्ही करा मरे तितले इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, तेंका दिया मरे एक जर्सी. सगळे एक कलराची जर्सी घालतले. दे आर युअर पीपल. रिमेनिंग ऑल टाउट्स. There is no arrest of touts happening from the beach. You should take care of this. तू आणि तो दोघूय जाण एव्हरी डे टाउट्स कितले जाता ते म्हाकाय मेसेज येवन जावपाकूच जाय. एक चूड जाला हिंगासर टाउट्स. हे व्हरते आहा पळय ते हेंचे मनीस व्हरते टाउट्स, तेंचेच सोयरे ते. दिस इज नॉट डन. तुम्ही धंदो काबार करतले हितून. तुमचोच धंदा. बिझनेस इज युअर्स, नॉट मायन. आम्ही तुमचे बरे मागपी, पण धंदो काबार जावंक जायना. जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू अलाव दोज पीपल टू वॉक अराउंड डू नॉनसेन्स थिंग्स ओवर हियर. तुम्ही सगळं कंट्री भोंवन येयल्ले आहा मरे. श्रीलंका व्हडली कंट्री जर इतले बरे ट्युरिझम करूंक शकताले, आमी कित्याक करूंक शकना. सीएम पासून बेजार जाला. म्हाका 3 फोन मारले तेणे. This cannot happen like this. Overloading not allowed. तुमचीशी नाही.